Potato, such a versatile product. Endless possibilities for preparation and creativity. In this video we are making perfect crispy oven potatoes. Use the right potato, 100% starchy sort, because starch is what opens up the door for the crispiness. Peel the potatoes and cut them into chips. At this point you can decide how much you want to prepare. The key constraint will come later at the baking process. Next, we want to parboil the potatoes in salted water. For this, pour enough water into a pot, add your potatoes and salt the water generously. This is the stage where we get the initial saltiness inside the potato. Cover with the lid to speed up the process. Reduce the heat once it starts boiling. In the meantime, preheat the oven to 240 degrees Celsius convection. Test the potatoes by poking them with a small knife. The key is to get soft edges but a core that is still holding together. After draining all the water, close the pot with the lid and give it a shake. This should mash up the outer softer layer of the potato chips, while the core should stay intact to hold the shape. Clearly, I went too far in this case. But that is not a problem. The pieces just won't look aesthetically as nice. Now we add the marinade to the potatoes. Olive oil, the fat will help the crispiness process. Salt and black pepper. You can also be creative with the spices you like. Transfer the potatoes completely together with that mashy part onto a baking tray, covered with parchment paper. Here, the key is to spread the pieces as much as possible with gaps in between. Try so that they don't touch each other. And definitely don't put so much that the potatoes lay on top of each other. Otherwise, you can forget about the crispiness. I add the final salt while the potato chips are on the baking tray. Place the potatoes into the oven, set a timer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, carefully open the oven and toss the potato chips around to more or less switch them upside down. 10 minutes more. Repeat the process and send for the last 10 minutes. This is the final state. Look at the dense golden color with crispy edges. Finally, let's test it. I give it 7 out of 10. Improvements will come. And of course, I will share it with you. So, subscribe to Top Crumb, hit the bell button. I appreciate your support.